Good morning, everyone. I am Pratibha Rizal, a teacher trainee of Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers Training College. So here I am today is to teach you a chapter from history, which is of West Bengal Board Class 10. Okay, the topic that I'm going to teach you today is reforms, characteristics, and observations. Okay, it is a chapter of history. So before starting, I will give you a brief just introduction of this chapter, what we are going to learn in this chapter. So here in this chapter, we will read about various journals, articles, newspapers which were published in the 19th century in Bengal. Okay. So let's start with the chapter. As we all know that Bengal has a very rich cultural heritage, but during 19th century we came to know about this heritage through print media. Okay, so print media has a very vital role to play in social, political, as well as promoting nationalism. We cannot deny the fact that print media plays a very vital role during 19th century also. Okay, so even before the introduction of Western education, there were many endowed learners, thinkers in Bengal who came to know about the weakness of Bengal. Okay, so in order to enlighten the people, they thought of introducing some methods through which the people will come to know about the ill effects of Bengal because of British rule. Okay, so in order to bring some enlightenment, they thought of publishing some newspapers and journals. So here are the names of few newspapers and journals like Jana Darshana, Bama Bodhini, Hindu Patriot, and many others. These newspapers were specially published in order to show the favor that the people show the favor that the problems people were facing during the 19th century. So people here during the 19th century were facing lots and lots of problems. These newspapers thought of highlighting not only the social problems, but it also published in articles on social reforms as well to eradicate these problems. Okay, so there are lots and lots of newspaper. Let's study one newspaper in brief. It is Hindu Patriot. Hindu Patriot was an English weekly newspaper published from Kolkata. Okay, now we all know that Kolkata, city of joy, same Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata. Here, Hindu Patriot was a weekly newspaper. Remember it. It is a weekly newspaper which is published once in a week. So, like today's newspaper, the Dainik Jagran, Statesman, Telegraph, Hindu Patriot too was famous like these newspapers today. It was also a very famous newspaper. So, who published this newspaper was Madhusudan Roy under the editorship of Girish Chandra Ghosh. This newspaper, Hindu Patriot, was published in 1853. So, you all want to know what were the main features of these newspaper. These newspaper, Hindu Patriot, mainly highlighted on the social contemporary issues. What does this means is that these newspaper mainly highlighted the problem, the social problems, the political problems that the people during the 19th century were facing. These all the things were highlighted by this Hindu Patriot newspaper. Okay. However, this newspaper was not only confined within the Bengal, it also had a national outlook, which means that this newspaper also highlighted the injustice done to the peasants by the indigo planters which were happening outside the Bengal. Okay, and the main thing about this newspaper is also that it also raised its voice against the British rule, against the British monopoly in that was going on in India. Okay, these were all the things that were added in the Hindu Patriot. Okay, so now let's go to the next newspaper, that is Bama Bodhini. Okay, now Bama Bodhini was a Bengali periodical which was published in 1863, exactly after 10 years of the publication of Hindu Patriot. Remember, this Hindu Patriot was an English weekly newspaper, whereas Bama Bodhini was a Bengali periodical which was published exactly after 10 years of the publication of Hindu Patriot. Okay. So now, why is this Bengali newspaper so famous? You all must want to know, no? Then this newspaper is famous because this Bama Bodhini was the only newspaper which highlighted the human issues during the 19th century. This newspaper mainly highlighted the problems that the women during 19th century were facing, the ill treatment, the torture, the domestic violence that was going on among the women was highlighted by this newspaper. This newspaper also wrote an article on many ideal women who had done great job by raising their voice in the Bengali society. And the main significance of this Bama Bodhini newspaper was that it highlighted the features of women's education, virtues of motherhood, institution of marriage, and the most important feature of these Bama Bodhini is that because of this newspaper, the position of widow was raised in 19th century. Because of these newspaper, the position of women was raised, highly raised in the 19th century. People started treating well to the widows also. So this was the main feature of this Bama Bodhini newspaper. So we'll study till here today. Now let's recapitulate what we studied today. So we dealt with the chapter reforms, characteristics and observation. So there are many reforms, like newspaper brought some reforms. No, so we started with the cultural heritage of India, and then Western education. We came to know about many newspapers, Janardana, Bama Bodhini, Hindu Patriot. Then we came to know about Hindu Patriot, which was a English newspaper which focused on contemporary social issues. Then we came back to Bama Bodhini, which was very important, which highlighted the human issues that was going on in the Bengal in 19th century. So I hope you all understood. Rest we will continue in the next class. Thank you.